Hey, Nick. Nick. Hey, Nick. Nick. Hey, Nick. Nick. Nick.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the fire alarm. And it's, you need to, like, I tried to put it up there, but I can't. So I want you to do it, because I don't want to get electrocuted. Will you plug it in for me, please? Watch the 2 wires. Don't get shocked. It's just those 2 with those 2 right there.
I can't.
Alright, well, oh, crap. See, I can't do, hold on, let me try. No, I can't. I can't.
Let me try.
Crap, dude. I don't even want to get shot. No.
I can't.
Okay, well.
I can't.
Alright, well, let's ask. Hey, Weeks! Weeks!
Yes, what up?
Okay, look, this is a smoke detector. It's also a fire alarm, and we need to plug it in to that. Can you do it? Because we can't reach, he can't reach, and I can't reach, and together
sure.
we can't. Just don't get shocked, because those 2 wires hook up with those 2. And just.
Never mind, I don't want to get shocked. No, thank you.
Alright, we'll try it again, I guess. Here, it's just those 2 wires right there with those. Try it. Maybe give them a boost? No. Okay, alright,
I
well.
still can't, dude.
Oh crap. I'll try. See if I can. Alright, no.
Still can't, dude.
Sorry.
Crap. Okay,
Sorry,
well.
man.
Alright, well.
No, dude. I'm
Justin.
Hey.
Here,
I heard.
Okay, well. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'll try.
Alright. Careful, dude. Don't get shocked.
Just goes.
Yeah, it's that. Yeah, that thing. Here, I'll hold this for you. Hold on, careful.
Dude,